So we're going to talk quite a bit about how we can support our dogs physically for this jumping effort that is so different than them taking the front side of the bar. Although most of you probably already know, we are going to do just a brief overview of what a backside is. We're going to talk a little bit about the biomechanics of backside jumps and why fitness and conditioning are crucial. We're going to have practical fitness and conditioning exercises that support safe, clean jumping mechanics. Right? Above all, we want to be safe and have reduced injury risk for our dogs on course. We're going to go over some drills and circuit training to improve jump technique and reduce injury. And then those of you with working spots will have some homework for me to review. Okay. The goal is, if you're going to do them on the platform, that all 4 feet stay on the platform. Not a huge deal if they come off. But you'll notice that she's moving with some control. She's not rushing through her spins. She's very methodically stepping and placing each limb as she goes into the spin. I can then move this to the dog walk if I want to just get an added level of proprioception for her. But I want you to notice each individual foot is lifting and placing. To be a structure, which is a sequence of exercises or stations, if you will, performed one after another, usually with no rest in between. Now, obviously, if your dog is displaying signs of fatigue, then we will absolutely give them rest as needed. But the idea of circuit training is that we are going from one station to the next in order without a break.